Welcome back to my channel. Luxury drive car, the 2025 Aston Martin Valkyrie. A name that sounds as powerful as the machine itself. A car that isn't just built for speed but engineered for an entirely new level of performance. The Valkyrie is not just a hypercar, it's the closest thing to a Formula One car that's ever been put on the road. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the 2025 Aston Martin Valkyrie. A machine that redefines automotive perfection. Let's talk about how Aston Martin, in partnership with Red Bull Advanced Technologies, has created a vehicle that challenges the very limits of what's possible. We'll cover its revolutionary design, its mind-bending aerodynamics, the screaming V12 engine, and, of course, the sheer thrill of driving one. This is not just a car. This is a statement. A machine built for the elite. For those who demand more than just luxury, or for those who seek an experience unlike any other. Now, buckle up, because we're about to take you on a journey through the marvel that is the 2025 Aston Martin Valkyrie. Development and inspiration. The Valkyrie's story begins with a vision that came from none other than Adrian Newey, one of the greatest aerodynamicists in motorsport history. Newey, the mastermind behind Red Bull Racing's dominant Formula One cars, had always dreamt of designing a road car that encapsulated true F1 level performance. Aston Martin, with its rich heritage of performance and luxury, was the perfect partner to bring this dream to life. The result: a no-compromise hypercar that merges cutting-edge aerodynamics with an unrelenting pursuit of speed. Every single aspect of this car has been designed with one goal: to be the ultimate expression of performance. There are no gimmicks, no unnecessary luxuries, just raw, unfiltered speed and precision. Design and aerodynamics. When you first lay eyes on the Valkyrie, you immediately know it's something special. It doesn't just look fast, it looks alien. The aggressive styling, the impossibly low stance, and the massive rear diffuser all scream race car. Every single inch of this car is sculpted for aerodynamic efficiency. The Valkyrie's shape is dictated by physics, not by aesthetics. The underfloor aerodynamics are the real secret here, with Venturi tunnels that generate an immense amount of downforce without relying heavily on wings or spoilers. The entire car is made almost entirely of carbon fiber. There's not a single steel component in the Valkyrie's structure. Why? Because every gram matters when you're chasing perfection. The headlights are some of the lightest ever produced for a road car, while the doors open upwards in a dramatic, almost theatrical fashion, are just a reminder that this car is anything but ordinary. The heart of the Valkyrie, the V12 engine. Now, let's get to the real star of the show, the engine. Underneath the Valkyrie's lightweight shell sits a naturally aspirated 6.5-litre V12, developed by Cosworth. This is not just any V12, it's an engine designed to rev beyond 11,000 RPM. Producing an astonishing 1,000 horsepower all on its own. But Aston Martin didn't stop there. The Valkyrie also features a hybrid system, bringing the total output to around 1,160 horsepower. This hybrid system isn't the for fuel efficiency, it's the to deliver instant torque and even sharper throttle response. When you fire up the Valkyrie, it doesn't just start, it roars. The sound is pure motorsport. A spine-tingling shriek that reminds you that this car was born from racing DNA. Transmission and performance. All that power is sent to the rear wheels via a 7-speed automated manual gearbox. This isn't your typical dual-clutch system. It's a lightweight, racing-style sequential gearbox designed to deliver the fastest, most brutal shifts possible. 0 to 60, under 2.5 seconds. Top speed, north of 220 miles per hour. But raw speed is just one part of the equation. What makes the Valkyrie truly special is how it delivers that speed. The car feels alive, responsive, and razor-sharp at every input. Every movement is met with an immediate and precise reaction. Driving experience. Driving the Valkyrie is an experience unlike anything else. From the moment you step into the cockpit, you realize you're not in a normal car. The driving position is pure race car, feet up, almost like you're sitting in a Formula One machine. The steering wheel looks like it came straight from a race car, complete with an integrated screen displaying all your critical data. The seats, they're not even really seats in the traditional sense. They're molded into the carbon fiber tub, and you're strapped in with a 6-point harness. And then there's the visibility. The windshield wraps around you, giving you an almost fighter jet-like field of view. But rear visibility? Forget about a tar. There are no rear windows. Instead, you rely on a digital rear view camera system. But once you get moving, all of that fades away. The car becomes an extension of you. Every input is immediate, every turn feels precise, and the level of grip is simply staggering. The Valkyrie isn't just about straight-line speed, it's about cornering ability, braking performance, and the way it dances on the limit. It's a car that rewards skill, a machine that makes you feel like a professional racing driver. Technology and innovation. The Valkyrie is packed with cutting-edge technology. From its active aerodynamics to its advanced hybrid system, every component is designed to maximize performance. One of the most impressive features is the car's active suspension system. Unlike conventional systems, the Valkyrie's suspension constantly adjusts to optimize downforce, handling, and ride quality. This allows it to remain incredibly stable even at high speeds. The braking system is just as advanced, featuring carbon ceramic discs that deliver immense stopping power. Even after repeated hard braking, they remain fade-resistant, allowing for consistent performance. And while the Valkyrie is a race car at heart, it still includes a few modern conveniences. The digital dashboard provides real-time telemetry, and a bespoke infotainment system ensures that, despite its hardcore nature, the Valkyrie remains usable on the road. Production and exclusivity. The Aston Martin Valkyrie is not just rare, it's practically a collector's dream. With only 150 road cars being built, owning one is like possessing a piece of automotive history. Then there's the Valkyrie AMR Pro, a track-only version that takes performance to an even higher level. With a stripped-down interior, even more aggressive aerodynamics, and a focus purely on lap times, the AMR Pro is as close as you can get to a Le Mans prototype without entering a race. Each Valkyrie is built with extreme attention to detail. Every single car is hand-assembled, ensuring the highest level of craftsmanship. Owners also get access to Aston Martin's exclusive Valkyrie program, which includes track days and personalized tuning sessions with the engineers who built the car. Final thoughts. The 2025 Aston Martin Valkyrie is more than just a hypercar. It's a revolution, a glimpse into the future of automotive performance. A car that proves that road cars can still be exciting, raw, and breathtakingly fast. It's a machine built for those who demand the absolute best. It's not about luxury, it's about pure, unfiltered driving passion. Aston Martin and Red Bull didn't just build a car, they built an experience. So, what do you think about the Valkyrie? Would you take one over a Bugatti, a Koenigsegg, or a Ferrari hypercar? Let us know in the comments below. And if you love cars as much as we do, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more incredible automotive content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. This script captures the essence of the Valkyrie while keeping it engaging for your audience. Let me know if you want any changes. Please subscribe to my channel and share with like. Please subscribe.